Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our lesson number 172. Let's make it ready for the next lesson. So this will become 172 and we make it 40. Okay, slowly and steadily we are moving to the perfection of the system, and the sale order form is being developed, and uh, a great learning experience uh, is being shared with the viewers. And thank you very much for your feedback. I am receiving the comments as well, and that is very encouraging. And in this lesson, we will move a step forward. That is, we are going to uh, take some more things which are available on the existing sale order. Uh, so bring them into in the line items. So that is called status. Yeah. If we let me first add a lesson so that, yeah, this is our lesson number 172. So 172 should come here. Good. Okay. So let's go to this sale order. We go to 42. If we see this, the information which is coming in here, it is showing you all the amounts. That's right, okay. But how about the messaging? Means line-wise remarks. These have yet to be added into the grid. Okay, if we go to the sale order detail and we go to the 42 sale order, this is 42, you see, 42. So the status ID can be picked to the remark that is invoiced. We have already invoiced it, right? So it is invoiced, invoiced, and invoiced, right? Okay, so this should appear in this in the remarks, or we add a new column for the status ID. Yeah, or we have the both options. Means we can use the existing one blank column which is in the sale order. If you go there, so we click into the develop tab and go to this, and here we are going to go to the sale order form. In here we have the rightmost column is to be adjusted, is to be populated, right? So when does it come? When we change it, okay? When update. So this is the update. After update of this, it takes you to this is after update, okay, and this is the list box click, okay. On the after update, you see okay, of that is order one. after update of order 2. Order 2 update, okay, and order 2 after. This is before update, yeah. By the way, what is the difference between before update and after update? The before update takes into effect as soon as you, excuse me, got a cold. As soon as you make a changes, and before these changes be reflected on in the control, so this you want the things which you want to do prior to showing your updated figure. So this is going to be mentioned in the before update, right? So as soon as you enter anything, so you want this to be updated, and you want the SO view to be updated. For example, here, yeah, SO view is being updated, right? So this is the place where your amount is being updated, and after the amount there's a remark, right? So that has to be updated too, right? So we put a breakpoint in here, and then we see that what to do to get the status ID. As you can see that status ID is in column F. Discount is F. Status ID is in column G. Okay, fair enough. So we go back to the code and we see what happens here. So this is the discount is on 4, and the fifth is that calculated amount, and here we are going to show you the status. So that is going to be 6. Yeah, the 6 is the status. Now, what is it? The status ID, we will find it out. The status ID is going to be the I tab, the L means that's line item, L tab. 5 is the unit price, 6 is the discount, and 7 is going to be the status ID. Control V, right? So this is how it is. So later on, it is going to be updated into, yeah, this is the 7, that's fine. Okay. And that is remarks, actually written as a remark. That's okay. So let's see how does it affect. We have put a breakpoint. Let's clear all the breakpoints, or let it be the breakpoint is useful still. If we click this, okay, we go to 42, it is going to show you what it is doing. Okay, it is doing for the first one, calculated amount of 250 is being written. Yeah, that's fine. And now it is going to bring the 0 into here. Peter, this okay. So in the core I, it is 6. I tab comma 6 is equal to 0. I tab Okay, I tab 5 and this fine 6 and 7. This is going to be not 6, it is going to be 7. Yeah, the 6 is what? The 6 is discount, right? The discount is 6 and this is invoice. The invoice is going to appear in here. Okay. So let's remove this and see what happens. So, yeah. So we managed successfully to bring the data right from the sale order line items into the data grid. Okay. And it has brought this information to you in the remarks column. Although the column heading is a status ID, right? Okay, no problem. So we are using the same thing in the remarks column. Okay, when we click this, for example, right? So it automatically picks whatever is written in the invoice. That's fine. It's okay. Oh, good. And if we put a we change the discount, for example, $5. Huh? It is adjusted, and $5 is discounted. That makes 557. That's fair enough, and that's all. Okay, if you give $1 discount here or 1.5, say, you can. Yeah, this one, $1.5 here. So gets 90 point. Yeah. Okay. So this is how it is calculated. And 5 plus 1.5 is 6.5. 6.5 is deducted from 562, gives you this. That's okay. Okay. So we have covered the invoices. Now, after being able to bring the invoice, now there are plenty of things to consider. Like when item is already been invoiced, so the system should restrict you from amending the data since it is already invoiced. Yeah? When an item is new, you can make the changes in the discount, you can make the changes in the name of the product, etc. But when an invoice has already been done, so there is no point of making changes after the invoice is generated. So the change of the discount, changes in the discount should be rejected. Any attempt to change the uh, to make changes in the discount should be restricted. So let's go and see it how we do that. Okay. We go to Alt F11. We go to where to the here and in the before update, yeah, we are going to see if not in the before update rather, but any change, attempt of change in the discount is this. This is your discount. Any attempt on to your change has to be shared. If this discount is equal to space, then exit cell or the remarks. what is the remark's name? Go and see. This is the remark. This is stat, STAT stat. Okay. So what we do, we go here, and here we say stat, or stat is equal to space is in equal to invoiced, then exits. So won't allow you to update anything. So it should be done in the before update instead, because we don't want any attempt of update be done before update. Yeah, this is a before update. We will see this. Okay, then exit. So yes, but what do you think? I think instead of just exiting it, uh, if we want, a message should appear that the attempt of changing this is denied by the system because the order has already been invoiced, right? So in that case, you have to move it from here, Control X, then MSG box. Here we will write order has already been, order item, or the line item. Line item has already been invoiced. So this is the error, and this will exit up. And sorry, exit sub, and then you will close the if. It's always good to make the indenting so that you know which if is closing where. Hmm? Uh, when you are using this command, you don't need and if command in here. Okay? If you have the if command with the then, and then you indent, you go to the next line, then you have to use the end if command. If not, it is not the case, means you are immediately writing sub instruction. So you don't have to give uh, an in and if in here. Okay, so this is a one-liner if statement without, which is always without and if, and this is multi-liner if statement which ends with a and which this is the termination of if. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, so this is the thing. This message should appear before we update an item. Okay, in a discount. Okay, so let's see 42. Okay, we click in here. Fair enough. This is invoice, right? Now, if we attempt to change it, say $5 here, let's enter. It gives you the message, but it does not. It does not. Okay, let's see. Line item has already been invoiced. So you have to. So this is not being updated. So you can click here and get back, and it is not going any effect on it. That's fine, I think. Okay, you can still get it back. Means it is always good that it takes your previous value that was 0 back in here, right? If you press F5, your $5 here, it gives the error. As soon as you click OK, so the previous value should come back in here. It should be overwritten. Okay, this we will do sometime. We will say, but for the moment, it is not causing any problem. And if you just click to any item, it goes away and it gives you the right thing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to your continued support and participation, and join us in the next video as well. Thank you very much.